Twitch chat is mean to me and I want them to suffer. A little while ago, I made a bot that curses for me.
Pussy.
Okay? ADAH. She is rude, she is mean, and she is everything I need to break Twitch chat's little heart. So, we're going to turn ADAH into a Twitch bot that replies to chat with rude comments. This will be great. This will be so good. So this is ADAH in her current state. She listens to my voice, and when I say something like, hello, she'll say,
fuck you.
that. But we no longer need her to listen to me. She needs to be able to read my chat and yell at some 12-year-olds.
You're a little bitch.
No, you! So we'll just take this voice recognition and wow, is that a trash can? How convenient! Oh, uh-oh. Oh no, I just dropped all the code in there. What do I do now? Oh man. Since I have no idea how the Twitch API works and how to read chat with that, I use something called the Twitch IRC, which is just the nerd term for read my chat, you stupid bitch. Wow, would you look at that? I wrote a message here and it appears on this screen. That must be freaking wizardry, right? I think I finally understand why I have no friends. Now here's the best part, but also
nerd stuff.
If we save our message in a variable and then let our bot compare that message to all kinds of words that we've predetermined, if then the message is in that list, it automatically replies like this.
Go fuck yourself.
My 5-year-old brain thought that was really funny.
Yeah.
I can already hear you asking, how in the world does all that work? Connecting to Twitch IRC or whatever that means. Fair questions, and I would definitely answer them if I had any idea. However, what I do know is that to get ADAH to be a finished product, a couple of things happened. First of all, I realized that Visual Studio is literally the worst program ever made. So we just yeet that out of the way and wow, an actual Python editor that doesn't make me want to kill myself. Next, I realized that Python is an incredible programming language, but why on earth did I do this to myself? Because let's be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I never have, so why did this bother me just now? Because I'm an overachiever, and overachievers do not run their program as a stupid terminal. No, overachievers make a stupid UI in a stupid programming language that makes them wish that they'd stop breathing. So, here's ADAH. My way to punch Twitch chat in the face. It's actually really good. It's so good. It's so good. Oh god. Here we just type in our username and then an OAuth key. What is that, you ask? I don't know, but log in, go burn. Actually, it's an authorization key that helps connect to your Twitch chat and we gave them permissions. Since I don't want to save anyone's key, they either have to save it themselves somewhere or ask for a new one every time I want to die. ADAH is done and became even worse than intended. It's perfect. This is definitely the best thing I've ever made. Remember the 3 anger modes we had in the original ADAH video? We give ADAH 3 modes. First mode would be Christian, where ADAH is actually really polite and could definitely join your Christian Minecraft server. Then the second mode would be chill. Just some basic cursing, nothing really special, just join a random Twitch stream and you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then finally, the third mode is anger yes, which is exactly what it says. Sorta. Well, they're back. And they're worse than ever. What can she do? I'm glad you asked. I'll show you. Click.
Fuck you, Brooksy.
There you go.
Fuck you, Gaming Nerd 504.
What's up, Gaming Nerd? How's it going?
Son of a bitch.
Angry, yes.
Anger mode changed to angry yes.
There you go.
Holy fucking shit. You suck. Shut the fuck up, Gaming Nerd 504. Boy, era, a, dab, reeknad. Euro said backwards, is you, are, a, bad, dancer, sorry.
Pretty freaking useless, you're absolutely right. But it gets better. Or worse, depends on how brain dead you are. I also added something that only works for me, because I love tormenting myself for other people's entertainment. You may be familiar with the term rickroll. It's basically when someone gets sent a YouTube video link and expect it to be a cute cat video or whatever trash people watch these days. But when they click it, it's actually the beautiful, Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Ashley. So what I did whenever someone subscribes, follows, donates, or types rickroll in my chat.
I'm sorry, TheShelfman, but TheShelfman made me do this.
I get rickrolled. How am I still here? So, ADAH's pretty cool, huh? Well, you're in luck, because you can download ADAH for free on my website, because I need people to fight Twitch with me. Just go to ADAH.TheShelfman.net to get your own ADAH and let me know what you think. Yeah, just go download ADAH, link is in the description below, or just go to ADAH.TheShelfman.net and get ADAH now. I sound like one of those weird TV commercials where yeah. Get ADAH now for only $500,000 a month. Great deal, I know, but if you get ADAH twice, you pay $700,000 a month. Perfect deal, you know, like that. If you do end up using ADAH for your streams, please let me know. I would love to see it, and you know, just let me know. I love it when people use stuff like that. Honestly, there is nothing more fun than seeing someone else use your software and have fun with it. So subscribe to my channel for more stupid videos like this. Surprisingly enough, I have enough brain power to come up with more dumb ideas, so I don't know. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and if you did, you're not even listening. Why am I'm talking to myself? Just end me. Yes, thanks for watching. Check out my Twitter and Instagram, and also join my Discord server for very high quality conversations. I promise. Also support me on Patreon to decide what video I make next, and to get access to all games and software that I make before anyone else does. So see you next time when I'm testing my sanity more than usual, which is kind of impossible, but bye!